things first, green comet will be visible for the rest of January. No, this is not a joke, it will. So it's the first time a green comet has appeared in the last 50,000 years. And yeah, so for the rest of January, there will be a green comet visible shooting across the sky. So basically, it is, so that's why I had my little green light right here, just like a green thing. So the green comet, it will be visible, and it's supposed to be seen around today, like around the time today. From now on in January, the northern hemisphere, so if you live like in the northern hemisphere, there will be a green comet visible. If you live in the southern hemisphere, unfortunately you will not be able to see it in January, but you will be able to see it in February, starting February 2nd. So the green comet, it's not exactly a green comet, it's gonna be a white comet. It's gonna have like a white streak shooting out like that and green on the bottom. So a recently discovered comet will soon make an appearance in the night sky for the first time in 50,000 years. So this is a big discovery, but I'm like super excited to talk about it. So discovered on March 2nd, 2022. So this was discovered last year, or almost last year. And yeah, astronomers found out, like they discovered it, and it's apparently they discovered it last year, and that's really cool because it's coming now, and I just found out about this like 2 days ago, and I'm really excited. So unfortunately, it may not be visible at the time that this video is posted, maybe not, but just keep your eyes out because there will be a green comet. And if you miss it today, don't worry, you still have all of January, all the rest of January, like throughout January, it will be visible. So the comet will make its closest approach to the sun on January 12th, according to NASA. So it's named C/2022 E3 ZTF. That's a really cool name. So the comet has an orbit around the sun that passes through the outer reaches of the solar system, which is why it's taken like such a long journey and such a long time. And that's why it was discovered last year, and it hadn't been visible last year because it's been like going through the solar system. It's been passing through the solar system, but like it's been taking a very long time. So yeah, it's taking a really long time. It's probably swung by other planets, but it's taking a long time to swing by Earth. So according to the Planetary Society. And yeah. So if you do really like astronomy and stuff, this probably will be really cool to you. You probably already know about this, but I'm super excited. Like, I love science, and the astronomy and the space is all really, really interesting to me. So we will be seeing it most likely today. Not sure what exact time, but yeah. So stargazers in the northern hemisphere using telescopes or binoculars, which is really good. So you will have to use one of those things. If you don't have a telescope, you can use binoculars. If you don't have binoculars, you have to use a telescope. If you don't have either, maybe keep your eyes open. You may find it. You may find it like soaring across the sky if you're lucky. So yeah, like I said, if any of you guys are in the southern hemisphere, it will be visible next month and not this month. But yeah. So the comet should be visible through binoculars or telescopes in the morning sky. So don't worry, this says during the morning sky. So it probably was already visible or not. I don't know. I didn't see it at any time. But we will have the rest of January to see it in the morning sky. So yeah. Depending on how bright it becomes in the coming weeks, C/22 2022 E3 ZTF may even become visible to the unaided eye in dark skies toward the end of January. So it may be visible towards the end. I mean, it's only the 12th right now. We still have all this time in January. So yeah, the only problem is we'll have to keep, if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, you will have to keep your eyes peeled, because once it's February, you probably will never ever see a green comet again in like another 50,000 years, but none of us will be alive in that time. So yeah, yeah. Well, there will be other really cool space events and stuff that may be happening. Like sometimes shooting stars just shoot by without us even knowing. But yeah, this is really cool because it's the first time a comet was visible in so long. So I am gonna be showing a picture of a normal comet versus the this comet coming up. So the normal comet should be right here. Yeah, that's gonna be the normal comet. As you can see, there's a blue streak coming from the back. And then the green comet, I will put here. So it's really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was really fun making this. I was really excited to tell you guys about this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Keep your eyes peeled, please. I don't want you guys to miss this. So yeah, bye.